Hello everyone. Today we're going to fix the issue where Share My Location is not working on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First, enable location services. Open settings, tap on privacy and security, and make sure location services is turned on. If it's off, simply turn it on. Next, sign into iCloud. Go back to the settings homepage. If you see a sign in to iCloud option, tap it and log into your iCloud account. Then, check the Find My App settings. Open settings again, scroll down, and find the Find My App or search for it. Ensure Share. My Location is turned on and check that Find My iPhone is enabled. After that, adjust content and privacy restrictions. Go to the settings homepage, scroll down and tap on Screen Time, then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure these restrictions are turned off. Finally, toggle Airplane Mode. Open the Control Center, turn on Airplane Mode, wait a few seconds, and then turn it off. Try these steps and see if your issue is resolved. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips.